I'm going to answer the single most important question that you should be asking about the security system that you're thinking about buying. And it's actually going to turn into a very small series here. I'm probably going to do about 5 videos on it. So what is the most important question you should be asking about your security system that you're thinking about buying? Okay, the answer is really simple, but a lot of people don't think about it. Most people, quite honestly, are thinking about several things other than this. I'm not going to give you the answer yet, but it's going to be a short video because there's going to be several parts to answer the question once I give you the complete answer. But people are quite often looking at the wrong thing. They're not looking at, or they're looking at contract, term, price, ease of function, ease of use, which are all like reasonable things to look at, but it's not the most important question. The most important question is one that eludes everyone because we make this assumption when somebody comes and says, hey, we have a security system that we want to sell you. People are making the assumption that the system has what it needs. That's not always the case. In fact, I was in Best Buy about 3 weeks ago. This older couple was sitting there looking at a Ring, and I know several holes in the Ring system, but to be very frank with you, your average everyday consumer has no idea of what's been posted, what's available, how to hack it, how to get into it, all those types of things. So there is one simple question that you need to answer about the security system that you're thinking about buying. And it is this question and this answer. And it is the system actually secure? Meaning, am I going to get security out of the system? And I'm going to look at over the next few weeks, probably weeks with you, and I'm going to post them all here in short videos, kind of like this one. I'm going to look at the door sensors. I'm going to look at the motion sensors. I'm going to look at encryption. I'm going to look at how easy it is to circumvent the peripherals, which is door sensors, window sensors, motion sensors, those types of things. A lot of systems, a lot of people don't realize the way that those devices communicate back and forth to the panel, and the notifications that they give you if they're opened are all a part of locking your system down to make sure that it is secure as it can possibly be. It's kind of funny. I think we have, and I know it's big companies, like several big companies have come on here and they've knocked out other videos, and it's typically Vivint, because I do pick on them because I hate long-term contracts. I hate people spending a lot of money when they don't need to. Their systems are 3 times as much as everything else, and they say, yeah, you have some off-brand, piece of junk system. Well, the truth of the matter is, they don't have as many customers on their app as we do. We have 12 million customers using our app. 12 million customers using the app. It's the only system that's never been hacked. It is secure end to end. You have encryption to and from the door sensors, to and from the window sensors, to and from the panel, and from the panel to and from the monitoring station. Our system's never been circumvented, and it's not ours. I don't manufacture it. It's the one that it's the software that we've been using since 2006. So if you are looking at a security system, you're thinking about, hey, what are the most important features that I need to have on the system? It is not ease of use, although that's great. And it is not even price, although you need to look at price, because if you're spending over, $600 for a basic system, you're spending too much money. If you're in a contract, you're doing something that's not in your best financial interest. But we're going to start breaking apart these pieces. We'll do some real short videos. They'll be short on what makes the door system secure? What makes the encryption secure? Why is S-Line better than non-encrypted? We're going to answer those questions for you because you need to make good informed decisions rather than some salesman knocking on your door and pressuring you into getting a 3 or 5 year contract on a system that's going to cost you a couple of $1,000s by the time it's all said and done. No reason to do that. No reason to spend the money doing that. We want to help you. We want to help you make a good decision. Hey, do me a favor. Please like and subscribe. We have lots of good information. We've been doing this 20 years. I promise you, even if you don't use us, we're going to help you make a good decision. Like and subscribe. Thanks.